Simply pop in a pod and get your morning off to a great start with this easy-to-use coffee machine from Nespresso. Choose from 2 coffee sizes at the touch of a button. With water also reaching the ideal temperature in 25 seconds, you can make up to 9 coffees without having to refill. Making your favourite beverages has never been easier. With a 19 bar pressure, the extraction system utilises a high pressure pump and heat control system to bring out maximum flavour and aroma in your coffee, ensuring that you get the perfect cup every time. The compact design has a small footprint and lightweight frame, equipped with an ergonomic handle for easy transportation, making it the perfect addition to any kitchen worktop. With an automatic shut-off after 9 minutes, this Nespresso coffee machine is easy on your energy bills.